kinda crummy, and things are getting tough, but it's not time to give up yet.
Haven't I done enough? I thought I had the magic, but I look like a phony. Have you ever felt like, yeah, felt like every pony is looking at you? They're looking at you, they're whispering, they're pointing their hooves.
You tried your best, so don't worry, you'll solve this problem, yeah, you'll see. Because you have sparkle in you, and it will shine your way right through.
I'd rather hide so they can't see, because they're looking at me.